In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a receipt for paid invoices using Xero. Let's get started. First, we'll begin by logging into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero accounting software login page. When you reach the login screen, simply click on the login button and enter your email and password for your Xero account. Once you've filled in your credentials, go ahead and click on login to access your Xero dashboard. Now that you're on the dashboard, you'll see a variety of options and tools at your disposal. Your next step is to locate and select the Business tab. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Invoices. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Invoices page where you can manage your invoices. Once you're on the Invoices page, look for the Paid tab. This section categorizes all invoices that have already been settled. Click on the Paid tab to see a list of all your fully paid invoices. From here, you'll want to find and select the specific customer for whom you wish to create a receipt. Clicking on the customer's name will open up their invoice details. Within the invoice details page, you'll notice a payment link. Clicking on this link will take you to a screen that shows all the payments made toward that invoice. Here you'll notice a menu labeled Options. Click on Options, and from the drop-down menu select Send Receipt. This choice will allow you to generate a receipt for the payment made. After you've selected Send Receipt, you're prompted to enter the customer's email address. Make sure to double check the email to ensure it's correct, as this will be the address where the receipt gets sent. Once you're confident everything is accurate, click on the Send button. And that's it, you've successfully created and sent a receipt for a paid invoice in Xero. This process not only helps maintain your records, but also enhances communication and professionalism with your customers by promptly acknowledging their payments. If you ever find yourself needing to revisit this process, you now know exactly how to do it efficiently. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and feel free to check out more guides to help streamline your accounting tasks with Xero.